No aturo tai, so effect.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Wreck and Slam monster truck, the Wreck and Slam Lowrider, and opening up Series 5, Unmatched Series 5 Sammy Guevara. And let's get into the video. Let me go by saying I bought these from Toymate. They still had half a dozen Ortiz figures, and I was lucky enough that they only had 2 Sammy Guevara figures. As you can see, this is what it looks like on the back of the packaging and who's in the set. I do have Sean Spears, like you've seen in the previous video I did. Oh well. Yep. And that's the rest of the set. The rest of the set I can get off Pop Culture Collectibles. If you guys are living overseas or in the States, check out Pop Culture Collectibles. They are a bit pricey on our end, but it's worth a pick up. And this is what he looks like inside the packaging, and let's open him up. This is him out of the packaging. As you can see, he's got a screaming head scan. He also comes with an extra head scan, but he is smiling. I will be putting this one on, to be honest, as I don't like the screaming head scan because it looks a little bit off. Here he is with his smirking or smiling head scan. It was hard to put on. You might need to heat it up in some water or use a Dremel to make it just right so it just pops on and stays. But yeah, he does have inmate on his front of his jumpsuit. He's got black armbands, as you can see. He's got calf swivel and high cut swivel. I don't know how to call it. It says Guevara, Harris County Corrections. As we all know, he's actually never been there, but well, he probably has. And I can't remember if he got thrown off the cage in that match for Blood and Guts. Put it in the comments below if I had that right, because I can't remember. He does come with extra hands as well, as you can see. They're just for like holding the ropes or holding the microphone. Nothing too special. He is pretty flexible, as you can see. He goes all the way back. But if you go too far on, normally they pop off, as you can see. But it's actually pretty poseable. And seeing him on the internet, didn't look like he'd be able to move like a Luchasaurus figure. As you can see, like Luchasaurus can't even bend that far, let alone you know, no. But anyway, moving on to the monster truck. And here it is in its glory. As you can see, it's got the cool animation drawings of actual made figures. On the packaging, it's got Ray, Cody, Bobby Lashley, Roman Reigns, and Seth Rollins. And if you turn it around, it just shows you the monster truck. And even more action on the back, with having Randy Orton in it. And having Ray getting kicked in a tire. As you can see, you can get all these action figures from eBay, or if the Mattel store still has them. And that shows you what can be disassembled and obviously put back together. But let's open it and see for ourselves. While I was opening up the monster truck, this is just to show you, they don't realise they don't actually put all four wheels on them. I didn't realise that. And there's the extra accessories, but we'll go through it when it's fully out. And here it is, out of the packaging. As you can see, that there's an engine, and if you press it, it's supposed to brake. So these pop off. Oh, okay. You put a wrestler on here. Let's use Sammy. There you go. Wow, does a spin. Oh, it's supposed to go like that, but anyway. This is also breakable, so you can take the whole side off. Same with the other side. It's easy. It even has what side. So if you get mucked up, don't worry about it. The steering wheel goes up and down. It doesn't twist or anything, so if I were you, I'd be careful. The wheels do come off. Even the tires themselves, as you can see, so you can pull off any of them. There are seats and lights that probably go on top of the car. Bumper for either the back. I think it might be for the back. There is a hook as well, and a loop here, so if you got like a chain or anything, you can chuck it on. And here's the seat, so that's a pull apart as well. You can put it forward if you want, because there's two holes in the monster truck, so if you want it back so a bigger wrestler can fit in it, you can. Really not much besides the size of the vehicle. There we go. I'll be having like bigger wrestlers sitting in there, or maybe might chuck Hornswoggle in there. To be honest, there's not really much on this to talk about, to be honest. Like, all I can say, it's a massive thing. It does take up space in the collection, But if you got enough room for it, freaking go bananas, mate. It is a pretty good thing to have. Like if you want to recreate Stone Cold Steve Austin running over The Rock's car, you can do that. You could probably do heaps of things, really. I just can't think of anything. And plus, I really wasn't gonna buy this and the race set. But I thought, hey, since there hasn't been much lately at the shops, why not? And I thought I'd go and do it. But anyway, next we're going to be reviewing the Lowrider. Next up is the Lowrider, and here it is. I love the packaging. Really, I was going to keep Monster Truck and this in the packaging, and I thought, why not? Why not open it? And here he is, Rey Mysterio with his Lowrider. Definitely going to use this Bertie Guerrero. And here is Rey Mysterio from WrestleMania. And they do have the Ultimate Edition for this Rey. Hopefully I can pick that up. This is other wrestlers that you can get. Also shows you what the Lowrider does and what it comes with. But let's open it and have a look at it, eh? And here it is, the packaging. As you can see, it's got Ray in the car, and we'll take him out and have a look at him. As you can see, he's got his street gear on, so not much fancy crap on him. Here's his mask, not much detailed, but hey, it's a cool looking Ray, and it's got his tattoos. Comes with a necklace. He's got like Air Jordans on. Not much really. It's got Lucha Legend, and then it says 2002 to 2023. Awesome casual looking figure. I think they need to do more of that, to be honest. Steering wheel does turn, as you can see. You can take the glass off. Seats, I don't think they can come out, but we'll have a look. As you can see, the wheels do move. And it goes on an angle, front, back, side to side, like ludicrous. And then you press that, and the back comes up. And funny enough, if you look, when you press it, there's weapons. There's a baseball bat and a crutch. So if you really feel like kicking someone's head in or bashing them over the head, you can. It's got subwoofers, and yes, it doesn't say like that. It actually clicks in, and you can even leave it. Like that if you want. And you do that, and then all you gotta do if you want it to go up, you just press the front bumper and see, and if you press the back bumper, it goes up like that. But yeah, it's got the Rey Mysterio design. If you don't want that, you can get it off or customize it, get it painted. But yeah, it's all cool. But I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, like it, share it. Follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next video.